Hey guys, it's me Bethany, your Sunday on TruthPlusDare. This week's truth on TruthPlusDare is who is the most attractive person you know. Mine is, Caleb from BRATAYLEY. A lot of you are saying that me and Caleb are in love, but we're really not. So I'm just kidding. Caleb isn't really the most attractive person I know. It's my dad. So this week's dare on TruthPlusDare is to do the Honk-if challenge. The Honk-if challenge is when you take a sign or like a poster board and you put a honk-if blank. So I'm going to have a bet with my sisters to see who can get the most honks, and obviously me and Orla are going to win. And the loser has to get a pie of whipped cream in their face. Like not a pie, but whipped cream in their face. So we are going to now do our honk-if challenge, and we're going on the street over there. And we're going to go near a stoplight, and hopefully we get more honks in the end, because more honks so far. More honks. So that was really easy. So I think we got way more honks than my sister over there. So I think we won because we got tons and tons of honks. So let's see how my sister did. I bet she got like 5. I think that's more than 5. So now it is time to get the whipped cream in our faces, and my sister's going to be doing it on Orla first. So Orla, close your eyes. So I also just want to tell you guys, I went to BRATAYLEY stuff if you didn't know, and most of you probably know by now, and I posted vlogs of me at BRATAYLEY's house every single day, including going home. And I also am going to be uploading house tour tomorrow, but it's already up for you guys, so make sure to check that out. So yeah, and on the count of 3, Oral and I will both say bye. Wait, no, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, now on the count of 3, we'll both say bye. 1, 2, 3, bye! Finally, Orla's here to do it with me.
It's TruthPlusDare. It's TruthPlusDare. You've got a truth about a bear or a stare about my hair. It's TruthPlusDare. It's TruthPlusDare. You've got a truth about my care or a dare about my stare. It's TruthPlusDare. It's TruthPlusDare. You can send me anywhere on a wing or on a prayer. It's TruthPlusDare. It's TruthPlusDare.